I guess let's talk a little bit more about the BLH product line. So I know BLH is known for load cells. Are there any particular types, I guess, that you find that are more common among your customers?
It seems like our KISS product is the most popular.
Okay.
We've installed that in a lot of highly accurate critical applications. The KISS load cell has a mean time before failure of about anywhere from 50 to 70 years.
Whoa. 50 to 70 years. So you install it. So when you have customers, so you probably don't have a lot of customers that call you and say, hey, I need to get another load cell, because you're talking a lifespan of that load cell for 50 years?
That's correct, Darryl.
Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty
That's
impressive.
incredible.
It is. In fact, we've got hundreds of them installed in chemical plants and pharmaceutical companies, and once we sell that initial project, we rarely ever hear from them again. So
wow.
We get them, can have them in stainless steel, zinc chromate, different capacities, up to a few hundred pounds to hundreds of thousands of pounds.
Wow.
That's a great product, and it's our premier product that we're pretty proud of, obviously. As I kind of joke around, it's the best KISS you'll ever get.
Well, the amazing part of that, when you think about the longevity of 50 to 70 years, there's so much that has to go into the construction and the building of that product and the design of it to have a lifespan of 50 to 70 years. That speaks volumes to the production process that's used to make it when you get that kind of longevity out of the product. I'm trying to think of something else you could buy that lasts 50 to 70 years.
Yeah. Well, these are manufactured in Karlskoga, Sweden, and the Swedish manufacturing people are known for, high quality, accuracy, and longevity. And but the KISS is our main product. It handles thermal expansion and vibration extremely well.
Cool. Well, great.